The introduction of foldable phones has easily been one of the most exciting mobile industry developments in recent memory. No longer are you stuck with a single screen on a rigid slab. Now you have options. Want something small and pocketable? Check out the next generation of flip phones. Want to carry a tablet in your pocket? Recent models that fold like a book should appeal. But how should you decide among all of the options, and what type of experience should you expect? Watch on as we dive into the best foldable phones available today, followed this video by key tips to help you choose the perfect model for your needs. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Motorola Razr 2023. The Motorola Razr 2023 is the coolest budget foldable phone you can buy today. Priced far lower than competitors, it offers a unique experience without breaking the bank. First off, that vegan leather finish exudes style. It's not just about looks though, it also provides a comfortable grip, reducing the chance of slips. The colors Motorola picked are spot on, adding a modern sleek touch to the design. That compact form factor is hands down the most fun feature. Missing a big outer display? It's no big deal. The smaller screen still gets the job done, keeping you updated at a glance, even if it doesn't run full apps. Don't expect a powerhouse like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, but remember, it costs almost half as much. This affordability makes it perfect if you're curious about foldable but hesitant due to high prices. One small downside, if you can call it that, is the lesser power and features compared to higher-end options. But honestly, at this price, it's a trade-off worth making. The joy of hanging up on people with a flip is back, bringing a nostalgic touch. So if you crave a huge display that easily fits in your pocket, the Motorola Razr 2023 is for you. It's unique, affordable, and stylish. Number 4. Google Pixel Fold. Unfold the future with the Google Pixel Fold. Impressively, Google's first attempt at a folding phone gets a lot of things right. The large outer screen makes using the phone while it's closed a delight. The slim design ensures it doesn't stretch your pockets too much, and you'll love how this book-style foldable closes totally flat. Using it as a regular phone when snapped shut feels natural, but the true magic happens when you need the 7.6-inch internal screen. Whether you're watching a movie or multitasking, this device brings flexibility and fun. Performance is solid, with smooth operations that easily match other top-tier smartphones. Camera quality stands out, making your photos look brilliant. As an all-rounder, the Google Pixel Fold doesn't just excel in one area, but brings a balanced experience across the board. Competing folding phones often struggle with thickness, but this one's slim profile is a clear advantage. When compared to similar models, its usability when closed is simply better. Nevertheless, fan noise can get a bit loud at high speeds, but adjusting it keeps it under control. Battery life is decent, though it might require more frequent recharges for power users. Still, the pros significantly outweigh any cons. The Google Pixel Fold is a game changer, and it could transform your daily tech experience. Still searching for the perfect foldable phone? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Huawei Mate X3. The Huawei Mate X3 is jaw-droppingly expensive, no doubt about it, but this slick foldable has features that might just justify the price. Its triple camera setup dazzles, delivering stunning 4K videos, zoomed in or not. You'll love how your footage pops on the bright display, no matter which screen you use. Battery life is robust, and the good news is, fast charging has got you covered. Say goodbye to those long wait times. What truly shines though, is the Mate X3's physical design. When fully folded, the hinge shows no gap, proving its strength and quality. This isn't just any foldable, it's the slimmest and lightest on the market. For all its positives, potential buyers should consider a couple of points. The phone uses last generation Snapdragon chipset. While generally competent, this might impact long-term performance. Also, it doesn't come with Google apps, which could be a deal breaker depending on your needs. Despite these aspects, the Huawei Mate X3 remains a top contender in the foldable phone arena. It marries style with functionality like no other, especially for those who value a sleek and slim design. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a game changer in the world of foldable. If you're hunting for a blend of power and portability, Samsung's latest clamshell delight won't disappoint. First off, the Flex window redefines convenience. Instead of tiny cover displays, this large screen lets you glance at info and tweak settings without unfolding. Imagine replying to texts using a full-size keyboard or toggling airplane mode in a snap. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it's a beast under the hood. Even though newer chips are coming in 2024, this one handles everything smoothly, making it reliable for any task. The 6.7-inch OLED panel is another highlight. At 120 Hz, swiping through apps and Android feels ultra-fluid and premium. It's all about delivering a flawless viewing experience. Camera performance impresses in well-lit settings, rivaling Samsung's top-tier phones. In less light, it could be better. The recent update brings AI features like Circle 2 search, enhancing your photo experience. These tools, along with Photo Assist, add a creative touch to your images. One thing that stands out is the cover screen support for certain apps. While useful, it could benefit from broader app compatibility. It's a minor gripe in an otherwise stellar package. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 excels in design, performance, and innovation. For those in the market for a cutting-edge foldable, this one deserves a closer look. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a game changer. If you're after the best foldable phone, this is it. It offers ample screen real estate, excellent performance, and great value. Priced less than Samsung and Google's notebook-style foldable, the Open is a step in the right direction. OnePlus didn't skimp on quality either. The hinge design keeps it slim and light, unlike other foldable that can feel chunky. The camera takes impressive photos, though low-light shots could be better. But that's a minor gripe given the overall performance. The Open Canvas multitasking feature is a standout. Running multiple apps in any size window means true multitasking is at your fingertips. The 7.8-inch main screen is massive. You won't find a larger display on any foldable. It's perfect for those who want a phone that doubles as a tablet. The benefit is clear, whether you're streaming video or working on documents. What I love most is its sleek design and how seamlessly it integrates into daily life. However, the low-light camera performance could use some improvement. It's not a deal breaker, especially for fans of bright, vibrant shots. Overall, the OnePlus Open is a great device that moves the entire foldable market forward. Dive into its features to see why it's a standout in foldable technology. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best foldable phones. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which foldable phone you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.